I want to talk to you about the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics. So, if you care about reporting and analytics when it comes to your email marketing campaign, here is a listicle I want you to really pay attention to. Number one, I want to share with you MailChimp. So, MailChimp really shines when it comes to reporting and analytics. And so, you have an intuitive interface, you have detailed analytics, you have A/B testing. Also, this is really good. So, if you're trying to really optimize your email campaigns with data-driven insights, Mailchimp is a really a strong contender this year. So let me give you the pros and cons when it comes to a Mailchimp here. So Mailchimp actually on the plus side provides detailed insights into open rates. You have click-through rates and audience engagements. So this really facilitates data-driven decision making. Really important, especially if you are considering an omni-channel strategy. Also, a MailChimp allows users to experiment with different campaign elements to optimize performance. So that's kind of cool. Also, from a multi-channel or omni-channel strategy point of view. And also, you have intuitive design that makes it very easy for users to create, manage, and analyze email campaigns within MailChimp. On the flip side, cost can really escalate with larger subscriber lists or advanced features, potentially becoming expensive for an expensive proposition for some users. And MailChimp has limited automation in basic plans. But overall, when you think about MailChimp, I want you to think about a tool that offers comprehensive reporting and analytics tools, including metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and subscriber engagement. You have an A/B testing feature that allows users to test different elements of their emails, such as subject lines, content, and send times, to really determine the most effective strategies for improving engagement and conversions, not only in the short run, but also in the long run. You also have, as a user, you can track campaign performance over time, compare results across different campaigns, and actually generate customizable reports. So that's really great. And also, MailChimp integrates with various third-party platforms, allowing you as a user to streamline data management and reporting processes. If you're looking for the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics, I want to introduce you Constant Contact. So Constant Contact has a comprehensive reporting, has excellent support, and also has a user-friendly interface. So this trifecta makes Constant Contact a solid choice for analytics-focused marketers. So what are the pluses and the minuses of Constant Contact this year? Well, on the plus side, Constant Contact provides responsive support through multiple channels, including phone, email, and chat. So that's really good. And Constant Contact is suitable for beginners with a straightforward design and drag and drop editor. So the drag and drop editor within Constant Contact is really fantastic because it really helps you get to the bottom of things real fast and also analyze your reports real fast too. On the flip side, you may find the customization options lacking compared to other platforms such as Bravo or HubSpot, for example. And the pricing can be higher compared to similar platforms, particularly for larger subscriber lists, okay? But overall, when you think about Constant Contact, I want you to think about an email marketing software tool that provides detailed reporting on email campaign performance, including open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and social sharing metrics. It really integrates with popular platforms such as Shopify, WordPress, Facebook, and more. So this enables you as a user to seamlessly connect your email marketing efforts with other tools and systems for comprehensive reporting and data analysis. And also you have a user-friendly interface and drag and drop editor that makes it very easy for users to access reporting tools and interpret actually analytics data without requiring extensive technical expertise. This is really a biggie because you have a lot more email marketing software tools out there that make the reporting and analytics aspect of things very complicated. Next, you have Campaign Monitor. So if you think about Campaign Monitor, especially when you think about the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics, you will love the fact that with Campaign Monitor, you have real-time analytics, customizable reports, and seamless integration options. So this trifecta can empower all kinds of marketers to track and optimize campaigns effectively. Whether you are a marketer or you are an entrepreneur, you will love that aspect of things. So, what are the pluses and minuses when you think about Campaign Monitor this year? The plus, basically, Campaign Monitor delivers real-time reporting on campaign performance, including, for instance, open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Those metrics are really quite essential if you are trying to optimize your campaign. If you're trying to find ways to optimize your email marketing campaigns over time. Campaign Monitor also allows you to create tailored reports to track specific metrics and key performance indicators. It really also offers seamless integration with popular CRM systems for streamlined data management and reporting. So, from a scalability point of view, this is really fantastic. On the minus side, on the flip side, more advanced features may be lacking compared to other platforms, and pricing may be prohibitive for smaller businesses or those with limited budget. So you got to have a little bit of money if you want to use Campaign Monitor, let's say optimally. Okay, and so basically, when you think about Campaign Monitor, think about a tool that offers real-time reporting on email campaign performance, providing insights into subscriber engagement metrics, conversions, click-through rates, and open rates. A tool that really enables users like you and me to connect their email marketing data with other platforms such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and analytics tools. So this is really great. And also with Campaign Monitor, you can actually use the tool to create customized reports to track specific metrics and monitor audience engagement over time. So this really creates a lot more flexibility when it comes to analytics optimization. If you're looking for the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics, I want you to really think about HubSpot. And this is another biggie when it comes to this space, okay? Now, why did we pick HubSpot? Well, advanced analytics, CRM integration, and robust automation capabilities make HubSpot a powerhouse for comprehensive reporting and personalized marketing strategies, okay? So what are the pluses and minuses here? So on the plus side, HubSpot provides seamless integration with HubSpot's CRM for comprehensive reporting and analytics across marketing and sales channels. I mean, HubSpot originally is more of a CRM tool, kind of similar to Salesforce, but they have branched out into email marketing. So that's really fantastic. And HubSpot also offers in-depth insights into email performance, audience engagement, and conversion tracking. So that really can help you optimize your engagement metrics over time. And also, HubSpot features advanced automation capabilities for personalized and targeted email campaigns, and this across all channels, by the way. What are some of the drawbacks when you think about HubSpot? Well, cost can be steep, especially for your business if you need advanced features beyond email marketing. And HubSpot may require time to fully understand and leverage the whole, like the totality of features. But overall, when you think about the HubSpot, I want you to think about a tool that allows you to access comprehensive reports on open rates, click-through rates, revenue generated, and more. So allowing you to really measure the impact of your email marketing efforts accurately. HubSpot also offers robust automation features, empowering all users to automate email workflows, personalize messaging, and nurture leads effectively. So that's kind of cool because it really gives you more flexibility around affordability and scalability. And also with smart segmentation and behavioral triggers, you can deliver actually targeted and relevant content to your audience, enhancing actually engagement and also conversion rates over time. Fantastic. If you're looking for the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics, I want you to consider Bravo this year. So with Bravo, you have affordable pricing, you have advanced reporting features, and you have an easy to use interface. Okay. So Bravo really becomes a compelling option for data driven email marketing campaigns. And so, what are the pros and cons? By the way, Bravo used to be called Sending Blue. So, just in case you are aware of a company called Sending Blue, it has since rebranded and has now been called Bravo. And by the way, they actually did this during COVID. But I don't know if there's a correlation, but they took the time to actually rebrand during COVID. So, what are the pros and cons when it comes to Bravo here? So, the pros first. Bravo offers detailed insights into campaign performance, audience engagement, and conversion tracking. Bravo also provides a range of customizable email templates to actually suit various business needs and preferences. So that's really good from a scalability point of view. You will love that. And Bravo is suitable for beginners with its intuitive design and straightforward features. So you have a lot of possibilities there. On the flip side, when you think about Bravo, basically you may have a smaller user base and fewer resources compared to larger competitors, and you may find the integration options lacking compared to other platforms. So this is something to really think about. So overall, when you think about Bravo, I want you to think about an email marketing software tool that provides customizable templates and reporting capabilities, allowing users like you and me to tailor their email campaigns and reports to their specific needs and preferences. Bravo also enables users to automate email marketing processes. So that's really good to deliver targeted messages and nurture leads throughout the customer journey. So what happens here is that if you use Bravo, you are in control of the customer itinerary as he or she goes through the different layers of your sales funnel. So this is really good. And Bravo offers advanced reporting and analytics capabilities, providing users like you and me with detailed insights into campaign performance, subscriber engagement, and conversion metrics. So that's pretty good. Let me give you a few facts when you think about the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics. The thing is that the 5 players I've given you, MailChimp, Constant Contact, Campaign Monitor, HubSpot, and Bravo, they actually stand out for their robust reporting and analytics capabilities. And but everyone has its strengths, its fortes, if you will. Okay, so from detailed insights on open rates and click-through rates to advanced features like A/B testing and automation workflows, this platform offers comprehensive tools to track and optimize email campaign performance. Okay, now with user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and integration options with popular platforms, businesses of all sizes can actually harness the power of data-driven marketing strategies to drive engagement, conversions, and business growth. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced marketer, those platforms provide the tools you need to actually succeed. Now, how do you choose the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics this year? First of all, you want to define your goals. Everything starts with you having a clear idea about the goal that you have, okay? Determine what you want to achieve with your email marketing campaigns, whether it's increasing open rates, improving the click-through rates, boosting conversions, or enhancing subscriber engagement. Having clear objective will guide you during your software selection process. You also want to assess reporting capabilities. So you want to look for software that offers comprehensive reporting and analytics features. You want to also think about the ease of use, right? You want to have a software that's kind of easy to use. You want to evaluate integration options. So determine whether the email marketing software integrates seamlessly with your existing tools and platforms, such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and analytics tools. You want to check scalability. You want to review actually a customer support, and you want to also compare pricing plans. Very important. Evaluate the pricing plans of different email marketing software providers and choose one that fits your budget. So consider factors such as subscription fees, additional charges for advanced features, or increased usage limits, and any discounts or promotions available. So what are the pros and cons of email marketing software for reporting and analytics? The pros first. You have tools that provide detailed analytics that allow your business to track the performance of its email campaigns. You have tools that can track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more. You have tools that streamline the process of sending targeted and personalized emails based on subscriber actions or triggers. So that's really good. On the flip side, actually, these tools actually can have a learning curve, especially for users who are new to email marketing or let's say technology in general. And also, there may be limitations in terms of compatibility or available integrations. So, what should you really watch out for? If you're thinking about the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics, you want to verify that the software provides accurate and reliable reporting data. You want to ensure the software offers customizable reporting options to tailor analytics to your specific needs because your needs might be different from the needs of the next business. You want to check if the software actually, and this is an important one, you want to check if the software actually integrates seamlessly with your existing tools and platforms such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and analytics tools. You want to opt for a software with an intuitive interface and user-friendly reporting dashboard. You got to have that, okay? You want to consider whether the software can scale with your business as it grows. You want to look for email marketing software providers that offer reliable customer support services. You also want to pay attention to compliance, regulatory compliance. So verify that the software complies with data privacy regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, and CAN-SPAM. Also, evaluate the pricing structure of the software and consider the overall value it provides in relation to its cost. Let me give you a few pro tips before we close to this conversation. So, before diving into analytics, define specific goals for your email marketing campaigns. Use segmentation. Actually, you want to use segmentation to divide your subscriber list into smaller, targeted groups based on demographics, behavior, or interest. You want to schedule regular reviews of your email marketing analytics to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. And you want to keep abreast of industry trends, best practices, and changes in email marketing platforms, and also algorithms or regulations. So, as a recap, if you are a business that seeks top-notch reporting and analytics in email marketing software, options like MailChimp, Constant Contact, Campaign Monitor, HubSpot, and Bravo really stand out. So, but you have to really make sure that you have a clear idea of what you want and specifically the vision you have for your email marketing campaign to drive the decision to choose one option over the other. So here's a coda. In today's conversation, I share with you the best email marketing software for reporting and analytics. I give you the listicle, the facts, and the coda. So in terms of listicle, I really spoke to you about MailChimp, Constant Contact, Campaign Monitor, HubSpot, and Bravo. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.